everybody, welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the peach glow look. Now I already did my base, and for my base I have used the primer of Naleo and I've used the foundation of Lakme. So the normal foundation, which is pretty affordable, and I did my base, and now just I'm gonna do my eyeshadows directly. Now it will be very subtle makeup, but again a peachy glow, and also back to back there will be a video how to apply your blusher perfectly. Now many of the people I have actually watched, they apply it very wrong, so I thought I will put up a video about how to apply the blusher in a proper way, to be very honest. Now without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles will be in the description box so that you will get more notified about it. Now without further ado, let's just begin the video. So for today's video, I would need, or you would need probably, a nude eyeshadow palette which is not so loud but have all the nudes, specifically the peachy one. So I will be today taking this Jaclyn Hill palette which has a lot of nudes, and I'm just gonna select the colors which are like almost nude. I have a lot of nudes in this, and we will start the makeup. And you can also use the small palette. For that you can take the Shivana Pink. So this is also a palette which you can definitely use it, and it has all the nude colors almost. Now they are also very nude colors, so you can also go for the small palette as well. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get this look. And for the brushes, I will be using the Naked Ka brushes, and also combination of few other brushes as well. As and when we will proceed, I will let you know which brush I am using and how does that tip looks like. So let's just begin the video. So the first brush that I'm gonna take is this beautiful fluffy brush. Now this is the brush, this is from E5 Professional brushes. You can use any of the brushes that you want. So for the color, let's see which color we will be taking. Since it's a peach color, so definitely I will be going for the peach color, and out of this I will be taking this as a base. And let's just begin. As already mentioned, take the palette, brush off the excess, and start working on the crease area. Now it will be very subtle, so make sure you don't go a very dark on this. Now also keeping in mind the palette is supremely pigmented guys, so be very sure whenever you're gonna work, this is really peachy and also good. So start from the outer crease and start blending towards inside. Now there is no transition color for today because today is a complete peach makeup look, so I am just gonna take only one color. Now I'm gonna change the brush, and I'm gonna take a little fluffier brush, probably this one, and I will start blending in to ease out the color. That's it, I am done. So you have to go really simple. Next I will be taking the highlighter color, and I will be taking this color, doing the area, outer area. And also I will be doing a little inner corner. For that I will take a little shimmery shade, which is this one, and I'm going to change my brush. I will take this simple pointed brush. Again I am going to dust off the excess, take my mirror, and will do the inner corner. Wow, this looks amazing. Same I will do with the other eye. So So inner corner is done. Next I'm gonna fill the brows, and I will be using the same palette. I will be taking this particular brush to fill the brow. I will be taking the brown color, and there are a lot of browns in this, so I will be particularly taking this particular brown to fill the brows. You just have to fill the brows, that's it. Next I will be taking the compact, and I'm just taking here my favorites, Swiss Kiss Beauty compact, and I will be taking the shimmer shade in this. It comes in two shades, one is natural, the other one is shimmer, and I am just gonna pat it everywhere. It's a full coverage compact, guys, so it is gonna be little white everywhere. And also do not forget your neck area. Then quickly I will be going to the eyeliner, because without that I don't think any look is complete. Simple as that. If you want to do the lower lash line, go ahead and do that. I already applied the lip balms to moisten my lips. You can also do the same, because prepping up your lips is that much important. So I did this, I did my brows, then I will be going with the mascara. I'm gonna take this SFR Supermodel mascara, and let's do the eyelashes. I do not use falsies, so if you use falsie, go ahead, then that will be your next step. But this does the job. I'll do the lower lash line as well. And the last and the most important step is definitely not last, but the next step will be your blusher. Now, very important how to apply a blusher. I will make a separate video, but as of now I'm gonna take this brush, and I'm just gonna take this palette, which is the Chirron palette, and I'm gonna, okay, no, let me use some other thing. I'm gonna use this Any Lady Blush Me palette, and I will be taking this particular shade, which is an apricot. If you want to do, you can definitely do the contour part, but I'm not just doing it. I'm just wanted to make it, take it very simple and subtle. So I've done this, and if you wanted to apply some highlighter, then definitely that is good. I'm just gonna take a Mion stroke cream, and I'm just gonna apply very little on this area to give it a little sheen. Same I'm just gonna do with this part, and that will be above your blusher. That adds up a little glow to your skin and all. And then the last step is definitely the lip liner. I'm using this Inside Cosmetics, and I'm in the shade Toffee Cream. so everything is like pretty much peachy. So I think that's all, and that will be all that completes my look. Little bit I will be combing my hair. If you want, you can definitely go for the contour part. That is completely your choice. And last, definitely you can finish it up with a pair of earring, which I'm not wearing right now, and the makeup fixer. So that's pretty much. I will give you a very close-up pic. It's a simple peachy glow look, which looks absolutely stunning this summer, because I think summers are something which you do not want it to go really bold on the makeup, and I really don't like bold makeup. So that's pretty much. I hope this video was a little helpful. If yes, do like, and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more such updates, because a lot of updates are there in the Instagram, so you can definitely follow me out there, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.